Camper update. So done a good bit of things between now and the last video. Got the new axle installed and added quite a bit of lift, about 4 or 5 inches. And I just swapped out the entire axle. Still a 3,500 pound axle, but this one's got brakes on it. And then I also installed 4-leaf springs instead of the 3-leaf springs. The old axle didn't have the mounting brackets for brakes, so it was easier just to swap the whole thing out. I haven't decided what size tires I'm going to go with yet. I may go with light truck tires. I'm not exactly sure. And then started the install for the AC. We've got a vent out on the front, just a little simple one-way vent. And it's a mess in here right now, but I'll go ahead and show you the progress. So there's the countertop. We've got the sink pretty much set up. I got the power system installed. I've got one more breaker to put in here. And this is a 35 amp unit. It's a WFCO or WFCO. And I have one line ran here. All this is DC. And I've got one going up to this junction box on the left side just for dedicated AC, since we're going to use the portable unit in here. And then on the right side is outlets for either a water heater or whatever else may be inside here. And then the second line runs out to the top to that outlet that's got some USB ports on it. I've got one more of those. And then I was thinking about putting outlets up here, but I think I'm just going to go with a surge protector. They'll serve the same purpose and just be a whole lot less work to get the same thing. But that's what we're looking on the inside. We just went shopping today for all of the water system. Hey, Moses. Yeah. So I've been going back and forth on what I wanted to do. First PVC, then I thought about doing PEX tubing, and then finally decided on the reinforced hose here. So this stuff is good for 200 psi, and we're not going to be running more than like 50 in here. So I think it'll be all right. We're going to give it a shot. Either way, I've got the mount for the outside power. This is a 30 amp twist lock. So I need to get that put in. I need to get the water input piped in. So left hand side, that's the shore pressure line in, and then the right hand side, that's gravity, just to fill up the freshwater tank. The sink is all set up. I've got this is the gravity hose, and I went with half-inch pipe for everything, or half-inch tubing. So need to get all that routed in. I'm gonna stick the water inlet right inside there, so the power will come in and the water will come in on the same wall. And then somewhere over here, I think I'm going to go ahead and mount the shower system as well. So there's that. And it sticks out a little bit too far to mount outside here. So I want to mount it in there, maybe up a little bit higher or something, just so it's not, out here. But that's pretty much it. Besides that, it's just been some more planning and things. I think I'm going to go with the Max fan. Everybody says they're fantastic, that has them installed in their campers. They say those little fans don't do a whole lot. So even though that whole assembly is brand new, I think I'm going to take it out and put a Max fan up there. We'll have AC, but it'd be nice to have one of those for when we travel to colder climates and we don't use the air. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It is a whole lot higher, so we're going to have to go with some kind of step or something. I still don't know if I just want to carry around a little step stool or actually mount one up on there. But when I get back here, you can really see, compared to the other video, how much taller it is. So there you go. There's the update. We'll keep them coming and keep having some fun.